Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavanza TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 3, Lupopo 0. Orlando Pirates out by penalties. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Pumagupi.
Nkuna emalahleni branch. Stibo, we lost as a team, not individual.
Yeah.
But kufanele sikhale ne.
Yes, member.
Ulibitso since abuyile injury.
Yeah.
As consideranga.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Mahopa nomabasa abareport ukuthi balimele onjani.
Yes.
Why? The same mistake enzwa isafa.
Yeah.
Why ngathi siyaphendlelana ama isikhundla lapha ku Safa or football yala South Africa.
Yeah. Yeah.
So lento iyasibulala Mapakhania sidlalile bazamile bafana. There is no need ukuthi siblemane njengama player ne.
Yeah.
Bazamile bafana. Kabelo Dlamini udlalile lo mfana. Coach akazama ukunika abafana opportunity ngandlela lefanele ngayo. Yeah, ngoba lento ukuthi sitawuchubeka sidlalisela abantu esibathembayo mara basebenzini nayo futhi le ayisebenzi. Ayispan. Okay, okunye wes2 ngikhala ngemakhosi. Thula baba. iChiefs iyadlala kuCAF kusasa. If thina support away ayibadlala. Batawusibona thina negative.
Yes.
So we have to support each other.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
Ngoba we are all human organism of South Africa Football Association. Yeah. So bafana badlalile icoach singayiblame madoda. Izamile la izame khona. Mara isafa ayilungise ama mistake. Sifuna iVAR if izidlala iCAF.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Witse. Ritwarane kamazo.